IVRs are dead in 2025, not just gone, but completely buried by Oracall.ai. You know, those annoying menus, press 1 for sale, press 2 for billing. Yeah, that's an ancient history. Today, I am going to show you how AI completely replaces that experience. Here is the simple prompt that I have given to my voice receptionist. Introduce yourself as Eliza from Oracle.ai. Ask the user how I can help you. Based on their response, transfer the call to the relevant department only after informing the user about the transfer. And here is the tool that I am using. Let me show you. So unique name, transfer, sales, or billing. Analyze the user. This is the description. Analyze the user conversation. Based on it, use this tool to transfer the call, either sales or billing department. So here is it. The AI is going to dynamically transfer this call either to sales or billing department. It is going to be the warm transfer. So introduce user about the sale or billing employee and introduce user to the sale or billing employee. That's it. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to do a live.
Hi, this is Eliza from Oracall.ai. How can I assist you today?
Hey, I was wondering if you can help me with your AI packages. I was
Yeah.
interested in purchasing your voice bot.
Uh-huh. Let me connect you to Sarah from our sales team who can assist you with purchasing our VoiceBot AI package.
Sure.
Hi, Sarah. I have a customer here who is interested in purchasing our VoiceBot AI package. Customer, this is Sarah from our sales team who will assist you with your purchase. I'll transfer you now.
That's it. So hope this was helpful. If you want to implement similar system in your business, book an appointment with me and let's get you started.